Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our ZL02 Smartwatch. Our previous video is all about push messages and call notifications. So this time we are going to check on another smart function on the ZL02 Smartwatch, and that is the music control function. So we will going to check on this and see if it works with these popular applications such as our built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube Music. We'll check also Pocket FM if we still have the time, and TikTok. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo for this, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check first the settings for our Daffit application. So let's see if we do have an option. We have here the others. Again, we have here the Daffit app, and we are on the device menu. And as you can see here, we have the settings for the smartwatch. Okay, so let's go here in the other section. And as you can see here, we have the control phone music option. Let's activate this so that we can use the music control function of our smartwatch. Okay, so we already activated it. Let's see, do we have other options? None. Okay, so let's start. We have here our built-in music player, and we have our music player here, Bluetooth music player. So let's open it. Okay, so we have here the song title. We have the volume control. Is this the volume control? Yes. We have the backward and forward and play. So let's try. Let's open this one. Okay, let's start with this one. Duplicate racks. Okay, let's see. Does it work? None. It's not working. No. Okay, it works as you can see here, but we don't have the song title. I don't know why. As you can see here, over the horizon goes forward, but we don't have the song title here, as you can see. Okay, let's see if there are some options here in our smartwatch. Settings, alarm, theater mode. Okay, none so far. Let's see it here in our smartphone. Bluetooth, let's check. We have the T900 Ultra. Again, let's deactivate this one and activate it again. The title is not working so far, as you can see. We only have the T900 Ultra here. Okay, we will cancel this one to avoid any conflict. We will remove other devices that is connecting to our smartwatch. Let's uninstall just to make it sure. Okay, music control we have here. Are there any options? None. Again, let's try. Okay, so we have here the title. Next. Hey, there's a delay. Seems like there's a delay. Okay, the title here is not changing. Okay, maybe it's the problem is on the smartwatch or the support app. We don't know. Okay, but so far the forward and the next song, play and pause, works. Okay, then next, let's open another application. Let's remove this first. Spotify. To avoid any copyright issues, let's remove the volume here. So we have here the song. Where's our music player? We have it here. Okay, so we have here the title, I'm Yours. Next song. Yes, goes forward. Okay. Next. Stop. Next. Stop. Okay, how about the other song here? Okay, it's an ad, that's why. I can go forward. It's an advertisement. Let's wait for it to end. Okay, we have here the song. Stop. Next. Volume. Just. Next. Okay, so far it works. There's a delay, but it works. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. Okay, remove it again just to make it sure. Then the YouTube. Let's see if this one will change. Okay, so let's just put this here and let's look for a non-copyright music here. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, we'll adjust the volume. Let's see if we can listen to music here. Okay, so here as you can see the title changes. Yes, it works so far. Stop. Going back. Play. Adjust the volume. Adjust the volume here. Go back. Stop. Okay. Play. Stop. Play. Go back. Go forward. Stop. Go back. Play. Yes, it works for our YouTube application. Okay, so let's check the YouTube music. Does it work? Okay, so let's try to play a song here or an audio. Okay, soothing. As you can see here, the title changes. Next. Okay, let's try to adjust the volume. Yes, it works so far. Next song. So skip an ad. Next. Stop. Next song. Yes, this thing is not changing. Up next. Next. Okay, let's see. Let's remove first from the memory. Okay, next song. Play. So there's some issues here with the YouTube music. Play. I guess it's more on the smartwatch rather than the music player here. Next. Play. Next. Yes, it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes there's a delay. So maybe it's on the problem is on the smartwatch and not the music player here. Okay, maybe it is because of the low memory for the smartwatch. But so far, as you can see here, it works again. Previously, as you can see, we are having a hard time going forward or backward, but right now it works. Okay, or maybe you just have, all you need to do is just clean it here, remove it from the memory. Okay, so that there will be no issues when it comes to playing the YouTube music, controlling it with your music control function from the smartwatch. Okay, so far that's it. So it works with a Samsung Music, our built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. Let's try with a TikTok. Did it change? No, did not change. Okay, it's not working with a TikTok. Okay, the same with other music player. Okay, from other smartwatches, there's an issue with the TikTok application. Let's see with this one. Okay, does it work? No, did not work with Pocket FM. Stop. Okay, it works. Okay, just a delay, but so far it works, as you can see here. Stop. Next. Next. Go back. Okay, go back. Okay, room switch. Yes, it works with the Pocket FM also. Did not work with TikTok, but it works with Pocket FM, built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So that's it for our ZL02 Smartwatch music control function. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.